Welcome back to another in-depth construction progress update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the latest structural advancements, facade installations, and finishing works happening across the stadium. From material deliveries to active on-site installations, steady progress continues as the project moves step by step toward its next major milestones. If you enjoy seeing Camp Nou take shape, your support really means a lot. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. It helps us bring you daily updates and share every step of the progress with you. Let's get straight into the latest developments. New glass panels have been delivered to the Tribune area and are ready for installation in multiple facade sections. Concrete works are still ongoing in the upper level. Elevator shaft structures are nearing completion, and scaffolding remains in place as finishing works continue inside. Preparations are underway for the upcoming installation of sandwich panels, while some protective coverings on diagonal beam sections have already been removed, signaling progress toward final facade finishing. In the South Gol area, structural refinement continues with workers applying finishing material between beams and hollow core slabs. A continuous horizontal steel element now extends across a large portion of the facade. Louvre support systems are being prepared, with painting and alignment checks underway. Interior corridor activity remains active, focusing on structural adjustments and preparation for exterior cladding installation. Significant progress has been made in sandwich panel installation along the frontal facade. Coverage has rapidly expanded toward the first overhang, enclosing staircases and improving the exterior finish. Only a small number of louvres remain to complete one sector, after which installation will shift fully to the adjacent prepared section. The pace of panel placement indicates accelerated facade completion in this zone. The fourth radial beam has been successfully installed in the lateral section. Sandwich panels are being mounted on stair structures, requiring coordinated lifting and positioning. Additional louvres have been delivered and staged near the tower crane for future installation. No new compression ring components are visible yet, but structural alignment and upper facade preparation works continue steadily despite strong wind conditions. Waterproofing or protective coatings are being applied to stepped concrete sections, indicating movement into finishing phases. Activity levels remain high, with multiple teams operating across both structural and surface treatment tasks. Upper-level welding and structural refinements are ongoing in the central Gol Norte section. Insulation and decorative cladding elements have been partially installed, while adjacent areas await similar treatment. Prefabricated stair structures are progressing, though sandwich panel installation has not yet begun here. Overall structural framing in this zone appears close to completion. Louvre support connections are partially installed but not yet complete across all beams. Ventilation ducts are being positioned, with 3 primary tubes visible and still unfinished. Crane operations continue to assist with material handling. Prefabricated seating elements remain staged and pending final placement as this section moves gradually toward facade completion. That's it for today's update from Camp Nou. If you enjoyed the progress report, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with every major construction milestone. See you in the next one.